What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nail Wednesday. Now today guys, I'm just gonna show you some new goodies that I have received. This is my new up-to-date and trainer. I also got some acrylic, some very colorful acrylic. Yes, those are my old hands. Well, it's no longer hands anymore, it is now fingers. I received some new acrylic earlier up in the video. I'll show you guys some different stickers which I received. Yes, I got 4 different color. I bought them on AliExpress. Yeah, I forgot the price. I forgot the amount I paid for them. But with these acrylic, the grain of these acrylic, or the grid, is very fine. Also, this acrylic is staining. In order to use these acrylic and not be too messy, each time you apply a bead, you have to ensure that you clean the brush and dip again. If you don't clean the brush, then dip again, the acrylic will be a bit messy. And also, when using this type of acrylic, a fine grade acrylic, you have to reduce the amount of monomer which you put inside the brush in order to prevent it from being runny or messy or watery. But otherwise from that, these acrylic are, it's good for beginners. It's good for beginners. They're very affordable, and if you don't want to spend a lot of money, you can option into use these here. So that is my review on these acrylic. Right, as you can see on the paper, I did swatches, which in the colors are fantastic. Yes, and I'm gonna do a ombre on my fingers, well, on the antenna fingers, to see how it will turn out. Thanks again for watching guys. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Thumbs up this video so when I notification bells keep posted on my latest video. Please remember to put God first, keep it at the center of your life, give him a chance. You know, tomorrow is promised to no man, and you don't know the day, the minute, the hour, the time you might die. And it's always best to die knowing Christ. With that said, sit back, relax, and I can't believe I do all of this off the camera. You guys can barely see what I'm doing. I still having problem adjusting the camera in order for you guys to see it and so forth. So by the time I adjust the camera and I end up doing a whole set offline. Oh yes, with this new hand trainer that I have purchased, it's nice, but you have to be careful how you handle it because it's very flexible. Not flexible, it's very fragile. And I am thinking of using some clear nail polish and put it on the nail plate of the hand trainer in order to prevent the nail from damaging the nail plate, because this silicone and is it's extremely soft, and I don't want to I want it to last me a good enough time. But otherwise from that, it's okay. And another thing, it basically come with a suction at the bottom where you put it on like a tile area or a glassy area or a glass area, and you just press down the little button and it will suction to the surface, but it's not every surface it's suction to, because as you can see in the video it's lying down because it's unable to suction on this board surface. That's the only disadvantage. No, that is the second disadvantage of this one. The first one is that it's very soft, extremely soft and fragile. If you're not careful with it, you can damage it. And the second one is the one that I just mentioned earlier. I haven't used any of those files that I showcased earlier in the video. I'm so excited, so I'm gonna do a set on my, and then I have more set to do on this and tuner, guys. You're gonna see a lot more videos with it, so stay tuned. And working with this acrylic was very easy, as I said. All you have to do, and it's been a while since I've practiced, and I'm so surprised that I really remembered, and I remember everything basically, and they come out well. Because the thing about nail is that if you stop practicing, you don't practice as often as you should, your technique will dissolve. But I've been always practicing. I've been practicing a lot, but I've taken a break, and I'm so surprised that. Anyways, guys, thanks again for watching. Please don't forget to like. This is the final look.